Welcome back to another key requested by one of you. Now, this is a game that I have not actually played myself, but I've heard a lot of good things about. I started off with this red base coat and I decided it didn't really feel Red Dead Redemption red to me. So I went over it with a different red and I think it turned out a lot better. I wasn't quite sure what design I wanted to do for this, but I figured the most iconic thing would be the R from the title. And as you can see, this white did not want to work with me today. It took me quite a few coats and a lot of fixing. This is what I ended up with before I did a little bit of touch-up. And here's our final result. Now tell me, what's your favorite Red Dead Redemption character? And what do you think I should do next? Bye!